Hi, welcome to Twist Fashion. Today I'm going to show you how to update a pair of plain leggings. So lay them out nicely. I'm going to start the crotches there, but I don't want the holes to start up until, say, about there. So start with a little cut, and then you're going to cut all the way down the leg, then cut about 1 centimetre intervals and about 2 centimetres deep along the leg all the way down. Then you'll get your first, well, actual effect, second loop, and put it through the first small hole and pull that down. And you bring up the second loop, pull that through the top, and then you carry on down the trouser. Keep putting the bottom one through the top loop that you've created. You should get something like this. So it's gonna look a bit plaited, and then see the holes like that. So do that all the way down the leg. Then when you've reached the end, cut your last little loop in half. Put one through your loop and tie that together. And this is what they look like on. I hope you like them. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Please do like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.